Today, the euro and the pound sterling are showing mixed trading amid different policies of the central banks. Thus, the ECB is still insisting on the wait-and-see approach, keeping its monetary policy unchanged. At the same time, the Bank of England is considering a possible tightening. What's more, today the Eurozone and the US will disclose a bulk of information. The Eurozone producer price index advanced to 13.4% from 12.4%, whereas economists had predicted a rise to 13.7%. Although the data turned out to be better than expected, the euro almost ignored it and remained stagnant. The fact is that the increase in the PPI proves that inflation will also continue growing. This, in turn, may push the euro lower. Nevertheless, the better than expected figures allowed the single currency to stay afloat. Notably, it will hardly move a rose future. Traders also paid zero attention to the Eurozone PMI figures that exceeded the forecast. The services PMI dropped to 56.4 points from 59 points instead of a drop of 56.3. As a result, the composite PMI declined to 56.2 points from 59.0 points, whereas analysts had foreseen a decrease to 56.1. In the UK, the business activity situation is even better. The services PMI inched up to 55.4 points from 55 points instead of a drop to 54.6 points. The composite PMI was expected to slide to 54.1 points from 54.8 points. In fact, the indicator grew to 54.9 points. As a result, the pound sterling showed a rise. Since the Eurozone business activity data failed to influence the market, the US report will hardly change the situation. Analysts suppose that the US services PMI may sink to 54.4 from 55.1 points. The composite PMI may slide to 54.5 points from 55.4. Even if the data beats the forecast, the market sentiment is likely to remain the same. However, worse than expected figures may revive the currency's movement. Let us take a look at the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair reached 1.1640 after a rebound from the support level of 1.1562. After that, the volume of long positions tumbled, thus leading to a slowdown and a decline. We see an attempt to resume the downward movement. In this case, the pair may approach the local low of 1.1562. If the price fixes below 1.16, sellers may push it even below the minimum of 1.1562. Once the price fixes under 1.1550, the volume of short positions may jump, thus leading to a further decline. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair was gaining in value for 3 days in a row. The reading of 1.3400 acted as a support level. The currency added more than 220 pips. However, after reaching the resistance level of 1.3640, the pound-dollar pair slackened. If the price fixes below 1.3565, the pair may resume falling. In this case, it may touch the support level of 1.3400. According to the alternative scenario, the pair may continue the upward correction. If it consolidates above 1.3650, the price has all chances to advance to the reading of 1.3700. Thus approaching the overbought levels. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.